Hey and welcome back. This time I'm gonna show you the 3 different way how to use the scene management to go to the next level, reload the scene or back to the any scene you want in the game. So let's jump in. So first let's create the script and I will call mine scene controller. And I will create the empty object, reset position and give it the same name. And double click to open, and first we need to do is use Unity Engine Scene Management, and we don't need the update or start, so I just remove that. And the first way to use I will show is with the number of the bolt index. So let's write public void load next scene. And now we need to write score management, load scene, and we give the number of the scene we want to load. This is depend on the bolt index. So let's save that. And now whenever you have the button, you need to add the script to it. Maybe not script, but the option on click, and then we put the script whenever we have it. So now we move the scene controller with the script and choose the function you wanna use. And in this case, it's load next scene. Let's test this. And whenever I press the button, we'll go to the next level. So everything working. And now we'll do the menu button. So I'll just copy the scene controller and move it to my second level. And don't forget, if you don't have prefab, that you will need to attach the script to the new button. But this time we're gonna create the load main menu. And the main menu will be usually the first thing in the index, so we'll have the number 0. And let's save that. Or maybe before I will show what I mean. So this is the sense I have in the bolt index. So number 0 is our main menu and number 1 is the level 1. So now whenever I press the menu, we'll back to the first scene. In this case, I forgot to put the scene controller inside the button. So always remember to press on click and move the object with the script to load the code you want to use. And now whenever I press the menu button, we should back to the first level, maybe, or whatever menu we'll have. So everything working, I can back to the first scene and move to the next one. So different way of use is whenever you put the name instead of the bolt number, so you can use any specific name you use. For in this case I have TW Games tutorials, but you can have level 1, level 2, 3, etc. or anything you call the name. And whenever you check the bolt setting, you have the name of the scenes and you need to write it properly. You have in the bolt index to use them. Let's save that and check if everything working. So that's the second way how to use the scene management. And everything working. And now let's make the reload scene. And now we need to use the different way, because we need to get the current scene from the index. So we'll use the integer and we'll call it current scene. And now it's equal to scene manager get active scene, and after that we write the bolt index. So this function will get the current scene from the bolt index in your game. And after that we just write scene management like before, and we, instead of the name or number, we just pass the information from our int. In this case it's current scene. So this will give the number of the bolt index to load your scene. And we'll back to use the numbers as well here. And now whenever you wanna load the next level, we just copy the information from the load. So we need to get the current scene, and we need to pass the information, the integer for the number for the next scene. So it's gonna equal O current scene plus 1. And instead of the load the scene from the name, you wanna use the new scene, and this will give the number for the next level. So let's save and try it. And I will just click the make reload button. As well, I create some particle systems. I will see if the level is reload. So now whenever I press the reload, the particle system should disappear and start again. So looks like everything working, and we can move from the scene to scene and reload the game. And there is one more thing. I will just double check and copy the next button. And if you go for the next level and our bolt index is already on the max, so in my case is the number 1, and we don't have the next level, so we're gonna have error. And remember, I just forget to add the script controller for the scene controller for the next level. Okay, so now whenever I press, it shows us the information that we don't have the bolt index 2 for the next level. Let's check that. So you see our max number is 1. And to remove that error, we need to go back to the scene controller and add some if statement. So we need to write the next scene. If the next scene equal scene manager, scene count in the bolt index. We want to load, give the information that the scene manager load scene is equal to 0. So this will move us back to the main menu. So for example, you have 5 level in the games. If it's go to the 5 and you don't have the 6th level, it just move you back to the main menu in the game. So my case is just 2, and from the 2nd level I'll go back to the main menu. So let's check again all the buttons, reloading work, next level work, and you see whenever I press the next level from the level 2, it's moved me back to the 1st level. Hope you enjoy, thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. If you're interested, check others videos from my channel. See you next time. Cheers!